All right, D3 of this running the beast of a burn chamber. Burn chamber is nice and hot. The heat exchanger is anyways. Lots of fuel. She still sounds good. Running 1540. Dilute a little bit just to thin it. Still sounds great. So what we'll do is we'll shut her down and open it up. I am interested in seeing how this burn chamber reacted to the high temps and how the multiple layers aided in our burn. All right, just got her flipped over. Look inside that burn tube. Well, the exhaust looks like a little bit carboned up, a little bit of soot there, right? We can get a better shot of that. Well, let's take her onto the bench and tear it apart and see what we got. All right, same girl. Let's get her tore apart here. Oh, she's still hot. I'm interested to see what this burn chamber did and how those layers reacted to the heat. I never welded them together. It's basically just pressed together. Let's see what we got here. Come on, you. All right. This is it. Holy shit, that's hot. Well, guys, here we go. Get that light on the subject here. Heat exchanger, burn chamber. Wow. I was expecting more wear and tear. I think the extra mass. This is freaking hot. Wow. Okay, that's 3 days of running with waste oil, guys. That's insane. Keeping burn chamber at the max. Well, it's very hot. Well, got some carbon deposits here. But all in all, wow. Again, I guess I should have scrubbed this clean, but there is minimal deposits. There is on the exhaust port. Some carbon buildup there. 3 days. Running waste oil. I was expecting more inside here for carbon deposits. But I'm thinking that the extra mass gave it extra heat to dissipate. Oh, that's crazy. Burn chamber 2.0. Well, it's actually 5.0. You know how many modifications I've done? That is insane. The mass on the tube aids in burning up the extra soot and carbon. That's interesting. This is 3 days. Oh. So that being 3 days. Huh. Unreal. I'll get you a calculation how much oil was burnt and how much fuel was burnt as well.